Well, got the lights off. Gonna replace the lights on the camper. Painted the green stripes, they were brown to match the truck a little better. Got new propane tank, hose done. Just rewire on the inside, new paint job. Gonna make it look like a diner in here, an old diner. Just starting to paint. Looks like my patches are drying now. The fridge I'm gonna stainless steel and make it look like a Coke sign. Should be interesting, but I will keep you posted as things come along. Nothing like retroing an old trailer or camper.